So once it is done, it will check for all the validations. If there is no error, then the submit category, this function gets called. And then ajax comes in picture. So ajax, the ajax word stands for, the word ajax stands for asynchronous JavaScript and XML. So asynchronous, what does asynchronous means? Okay, let us first come to synchronous. Synchronous means something getting executed in order one after another, like step 1, step 2, step 3 and 4 and like this. But asynchronous means getting executed in order, but if suppose step 1 get executed, step 2 also got executed, in step 3 we are, or at some point we will wait for some response to come. So until and unless that response is coming, the rest of the steps will not get executed. So once that response comes, is obtained to us, then the further execution will take place. Now if we come to the validation part of, or validation part is previously we have done in JavaScript, so I'm not going through that. In this ajax function, if we come to the submit category, we have the category ID. Now category ID we have done before. Hashtag again is for the indication that it's a hashtag is for the indication of ID. This is the name of the ID, that is category ID is the name. And dot val, what is it doing? This is picking up the value from the DOM element and storing inside this category ID variable. So this val is picking up the value from the DOM element and storing it inside this variable. This is the function of val. Now after all this, same goes for the name and description. Then comes this line, which is very important, and we will discuss this later, but yes, we are going to discuss this. This is a very important line, CSRF middleware token. And we will notice something, that this doesn't have an ID like the rest of them. Now we have this in the rest of it, dot trim is there. Dot trim is a very basic thing. It is for removing the extra space. So when we talk about ajax, we can say ajax is a function. See, it is starting with this phrases. So ajax is a function. Ajax takes key value pairs as an argument. This is the key, this is the value. So key value pair as an argument, and that's why we got curly braces. It's like, so here we call this key value pair JSON, which is dictionary in context to Python. And if we talk about Java, in context to Java, it is hashmap. So minimum number of keys required for ajax to work is 5. So URL, method, data, success and error. These 5 are the keys. So what did we learn about ajax? Ajax is a function, the very first thing. Secondly, it is available in jQuery. Third point, it takes JSON as an argument. Fourth point, minimum 5 keys are required for ajax to work successfully. So at first, these 3 keys, that is URL, method and data, these 3 keys will work. Then the control will go to either this or this, either of these URLs. Okay, it will pass the data in the form of post method, so that it is encrypted. It will hand over the data in the function based view associated to either of the URLs, either this or this. Then that function based view will execute either it's a success or it's a error, since both of them cannot execute at the same time. So if you notice, all the keys are not getting executed at the same time. These 3 keys are getting executed first. These 2 are in the waiting state by then. According to this, whatever be the situation, either of them will get executed. So this is the basic flow and the scenario that the ajax have. We will discuss further in the next one.